How to install Teamviewer and create an account on iPhone. Depending on what you need to do, you will need to install two apps from Teamviewer on your iPhone. If you want to access a computer from your iPhone, you will need the Teamviewer app. If you need to access your phone from the PC, you will need Teamviewer Quick Support. Let's install both. Teamviewer is a software that allows you to remote into another computer, smartphone or tablet while you are on the road. Teamviewer provides easy, fast and secure remote access and is already used on more than 1 billion devices worldwide. Let's see how to install Teamviewer on iPhone. First, we need to go to the App Store. So open App Store. Tap on the search button. On the search above, write Teamviewer. Now tap on the search. After you have found the app, just tap on Get. You will need to allow the installation if it is the first time you install this app on your account. This may differ on every device, so the best advice is to follow the on-screen instruction. You have now installed Teamviewer on your iPhone. Now let's install Teamviewer Quick Support. This software will allow access to your iPhone. Tap on the back arrow. On the search above, write Quick Support. After you have found the app, do the same as you did on the Teamviewer app. You have now installed Teamviewer Quick Support on your iPhone device. Now let's open Teamviewer to see how it looks. You will need to tap Agree and Continue. Tap Get Started. Tap Allow. This software will need an ID to connect to another device. If you have the ID, just write the ID and just tap Remote Control and you will have the access to that device. To create an account, tap on Computers. Here, tap on New Account. Write your name, email, and password. After this, tap on Sign Up. You have now created an account on Teamviewer on your iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.